Welcome to ConnectShield. Today we're going to be talking about the integration of road and driver-facing dash cameras for your commercial fleet. So let's talk key benefits. One of the key benefits is increasing driver safety through alerting instances such as fatigue, distracted driving, or unsafe driving practices. In the unfortunate event of an accident, these cameras provide crucial data and exonerating factors through video footage that not only protect the carrier but the driver themselves. Protecting drivers against false claims and providing clear support for insurance companies. Driver-facing cameras can also encourage accountability and improvement. By recording behavior, companies offer personalized coaching and feedback to enhance driver skills and reduce risky behaviors. Monitoring driving patterns helps reduce unnecessary idling, speeding, and harsh braking. This leads to better fuel efficiency and lowered operational costs, impacting your bottom line positively. Having a dual camera system helps ensure compliance with regulatory requirements by automatically recording logs and incidents, offering protection against legal complications. Privacy is key. Modern systems respect drivers' privacy with features like privacy locks during rest breaks and fostering trust between drivers and fleet management. By integrating road and driver-facing cameras, commercial drivers not only enhance safety and efficiency, but also protect themselves and build a stronger trust-based work environment, embracing technology and driving towards a safer future. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on implementation for camera solutions like this that we just discussed, please visit our website or contact us directly or scan the QR code.